In this video, we're diving into the cell and info functions in Excel. These functions are very useful in getting information about your workbook. You can perform self-audits on your Excel environment using these functions. The cell function returns information about a cell's formatting, location, or contents. The syntax is as follows: equals cell, open parenthesis, quotation mark, info type, quotation mark, comma, reference, close parenthesis. As a basic example, the formula equals cell, open parenthesis, quotation mark, format, quotation mark, comma, A1, close parenthesis returns the number format of cell A1. Here are some common info types you can use with the cell function. Under the cell content category, the info type contents returns the cell value. The info type returns the data type, and the info type formula returns the formula text. Under the cell format category, the info type format returns the number format. The info type color returns 1 if the font color is black, otherwise it returns 0. The info type protect returns 1 if the cell is locked, otherwise it returns 0. Let's look at some examples of the cell function in action. The formula equals cell, open parenthesis, quotation mark, address, quotation mark, comma, B5, close parenthesis returns $B, $5, which is the absolute reference of cell B5. The formula equals cell, open parenthesis, quotation mark, type, quotation mark, comma, A1, close parenthesis returns V for value or L for label, depending on the data type in cell A1. The info function returns information about the Excel environment and system. The syntax is as follows: equals info, open parenthesis, quotation mark, type text, quotation mark, close parenthesis. As a basic example, the formula equals info, open parenthesis, quotation mark, version, quotation mark, close parenthesis returns the Excel version. Here are some common info types for the info function. Under the System Info category, the info type version returns the Excel version. The info type system returns the operating system, and the info type OS version returns the operating system version. Under the Memory and Calculation category, the info type memavail returns the available memory. The info type memused returns the memory used, and the info type recalc returns the recalculation mode. Let's look at some examples of the info function in action. The formula equals info, open parenthesis, quotation mark, version, quotation mark, close parenthesis returns the Excel version information, such as Windows 32-bit, NT 16.00. The formula equals info, open parenthesis, quotation mark, recalc, quotation mark, close parenthesis returns automatic or manual, depending on the recalculation mode. Here are some practical applications of the cell and info functions. For workbook auditing, you can check cell formatting consistency, identify data types and formulas, and verify cell protection status. For system monitoring, you can track Excel version compatibility, monitor memory usage, and check calculation settings. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.